Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to be sharing with you 9 iPhone tips and tricks that can save your time and make your life much easier when using your iPhone. So the different tips that I will show you for your iPhone, it will mainly depend on which iOS you have. Some of them will require the latest iOS, some of them will require the previous iOS, but most of them will work with majority of the iPhones. The first tip is that if you have accidentally deleted your photos, videos, or in this case your email, then what you can simply do is to shake your iPhone and you can actually undo the action that you performed. To enable shake to undo, open settings, scroll down and open accessibility, then open touch, and here you're going to have an option shake to undo. Just enable this option and this will allow you to undo maximum of the operations that you perform. The second tip is tap to peek, which basically means that you can long press any message and you can peek the message without opening it. So if you don't want to make it or mark it red, you can just simply tap on the message, read its overview and just close it. You can also do it for your emails and other messaging apps as well. The third tip is the assistive touch feature on your iPhone, which can help you increase or decrease the volume or even take a screenshot. So this is helpful if the buttons on your iPhone are not working, so you can use the assistive touch feature. To enable this, open settings, go to accessibility, touch, and on the very top you have the option assistive touch. Just enable this option. So once you enable it, you're going to have something like this with a circle. So if you want to customize the buttons within it, you can click on this and you can add or reduce any buttons. Other than that, you can assign single tap or double tap functions, you can increase or decrease its opacity and so on. The fourth tip is that your iPhone logo is actually a button. So if I double tap on the back logo, you can perform any action like opening the camera and so on. In order to enable the option, go to settings, open accessibility, then go to touch, go to the very bottom and select back tap. Click on double tap and from here you can select what action it should perform when you double tap on the Apple logo. So I'm just simply going to select the camera. The fifth tip is especially useful for those who write a lot of text from their images. So if you have iOS 15 or above, you can simply tap on the picture. You're going to have this OCR button, just click on it and then you can basically extract or copy the text within the image and paste it anywhere where you want. Obviously it will not be 100% correct, but it will save you a lot of time. The sixth tip is that now you can customize the shortcuts on your lock screen. So in my case, I have the calculator shortcut instead of the camera app. So in order to customize or change the shortcuts, long press on your lock screen, click on customize, select the lock screen and just select any of the shortcut, remove it, click on the add button and you can select from the list that your phone will show. In my case, I can select the magnifier or any other app and just click on done and that's all. The seventh tip is that you can use any of your pictures and use it as a sticker and share it on social media platform like iMessages, as I have made this sticker right here. Just open any picture and this feature is available for iOS 16 and above. Long press on the picture, click on add sticker, select where you want to add them and the sticker will be added. Now you can share them on different social media apps. The eighth tip is that you can just simply double tap on any text, so you can select part of it or the whole text and then you can copy, cut or paste the text. A lot of iPhone users don't know about this basic thing. The last tip is that if you want to basically move between any long message, if you click on it you cannot move it directly. So all you can do is to long press on the space key button and now you can move freely wherever you want. Go to that place, remove or edit the text wherever you want. So this makes editing long text much easier on the iPhone. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and enable bell notifications so that I make more useful content like this.